Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this week, so please stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Welcome fam to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Guys, if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Abigail Ifoma. Welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. For my hot subbies, you guys are the best. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up and drop a comment at the comment section. Let me know what you think about the hair if you finish watching. So first thing I'm going to be needing is my extension, my wig pin, my wig cap, and also my tailoring net. So what I'm going to do is to take the wig cap out of the pack and then put it on the dummy's head, use my tailoring net to put on the particular place I want the braided part to be, and then I secure it also with a pin. After doing that, I'm going to take my needle and thread to start sewing, just like the way you see.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
So right now I'm done sewing the whole of the net together with the wig cap. So I'm just going to take it out from the dummy's head and then cut the wig cap. That is where the net is. I'm just going to cut it. If you're cutting it, just make sure you're careful so you don't cut the tailoring net also. That's the closure net, so you don't cut it together with the wig cap. So you're just cutting only that side. So I'm done cutting the hair. I'm just going to put it back on the dummy's head and also secure it with a pin. So after doing that, I'll just start crocheting the hair.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, oh, oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
Hey fam, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please, if you do, consider subscribing. If you've watched up to this time and you haven't subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button, that's the like button, and also drop a comment at the comment section. Let me know what you think, and let me also know where you're watching from. Yeah.
To where we started, get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
So right now I'm done crocheting the hair. What I'm going to do now is to tie a Brazilian wool around the chair, just like so, and then I start sectioning the hair I want before I start braiding the hair.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So at this point I'm done. Here is how it is. So I'm just going to cut the Brazilian wool and take it out from the Brazilian wool. So this is how it is. So what I'm going to do next is to start arranging. You don't really need to do the same style. The main important thing is to arrange it the way you want it, and then sew it with needle and thread. That's it.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
So after sewing, I'm just going to cut out the excess thread and also take out the pin I use in securing the braid. I'll take it out and then start rolling the hair with rollers.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back.
The next thing I'm going to do is to spray the hair. After spraying it, I'm just going to loosen the braid, that's the excess braid, and then roll it on the rollers. The way I'm taking much portion of the hair is because I want the coils to be big. I don't want tiny coils. I want the coil to be big. So I'm going to loosen it and roll it. So after rolling it, I'll put the hair inside hot water.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's
At this point, the wig cap was just trying to come out of the dummy's head because the wig cap I used was this kind of stretchy wig cap. So it's when I'm trying to roll the hair on the rollers, it rolls together with it. So that's why it's like this. But yeah, I still managed to do it. As you can see, it's trying to come out.
no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
So here is how it is after rolling it. I'm just trying to trim some excess hair. I'm just trying to trim some excess hair. That is what I'm doing here. I'm using my scissors, so I'm just going to take it out from the dummy's head and then put it inside hot water.
To where we started out. Oh no.
I already put it inside hot water. I'm just going to put it back on the dummy's head and start losing the coils, taking the coils out. So this is how the hair is looking like. Like I said, I wanted fat, very fat coils. So this is how it is, and it came out so well. You don't really need to wait for so long before you take the coils, that's the rollers, out. You just need to take it out immediately. If you wait till it gets dry, coils, the hair will be so difficult to separate. Just like this, it's going to be so difficult to separate.
Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere.
At this point, I'm done separating the hair one by one. So I'm just going to start trimming the hair. Trimming is very important, guys. It's very, very important. So what you need to do is to trim. I'm just going to trim the tip of the hair, and you can also do any one you want, like your desired length. So I'm just going to trim the hair and then use my olive hair spray to spray it, and then we are done.
We started out. La, 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 starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
And this is how the hair is looking like. Hey, yes, we did it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I can't do this without you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. Join this beautiful family. Also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Do not forget to tell me where you're watching from at the comment section down below. Like this video and also share it with your loved ones. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay safe and stay blessed always. I love you all.